motion of a particle explained by velocity displacement graph like this. Along x-axis, along y-axis, here displacement, here velocity we are taking. So same question, what you are given, same motion of the particle explained by acceleration displacement graph, which is correct? That is the question. In this, correct option is, this is the acceleration and this is the displacement. The graph is like this. Here ABCD options given, this option A. So this is the correct one. How it is? Velocity displacement, this graph, acceleration displacement, this graph, this both belongs to same motion of the particle. That is the answer. That is the concept. So how it is, we are verifying once. Before that, you go to one straight line equation. For example, I am taking, this is x-axis and this is y-axis and this is the origin. I am taking one straight line equation. Here I am taking A is the x-intercept and B is the y-intercept. Then what is the equation for this straight line? X by A plus y by B equals to 1. This thing we know. Now I am writing this as y by B equal to 1 minus x by A. Otherwise you write this as y equals to B into 1 minus x by A. Okay. Now again you write this as y equals to B into 1 B minus B into x by A. So y equals to minus B by A into x plus B. So this is the, I am writing x by A plus y by B equal to 1. This straight line equation I am writing like this also. Y equal to minus B by A into x plus B. So here you take theta. If this is theta, what is the tan theta? Tan theta equals to B by A. Tan theta equals to what? Slope. So y equal to minus mx plus b. In this way we are writing. What is the b? Y-intercept. What is the b? Y-intercept. Minus, in the derivation only it came. What is the b by a? Slope, m. Y equal to mx plus c you write. Otherwise y equal to minus b by a plus x plus b. So y equal to mx plus c belongs to what? That is intercept on the x-axis comes. That things later. So this is like this comparing y equal to mx plus c. In that way I am writing this one straight line equation. So this concept I am applying now. So here in the graph what given? Here what is our question graph? This is our question graph. Here he had given this is v0 and here he had given this is x0. If you take theta, what is the tan theta? Tan theta that equal to opposite by adjacent v0 by x0. So this slope I am writing as v0 by x0. Again b, here b means y-intercept. Here what is the y-intercept? v0. So for given question equation, what is the line equation? Straight line equation? Y equal to, minus is in the formula only. In the b by m is slope. Here slope what I am writing? v0 by x0 plus in the b plus what I am writing? Plus v0. This is my equation. So this is the background. So if any one straight line equation you can write in this way also. So by taking this, in this way I am writing. Otherwise you remember this equation, no need to derive this. You remember this equation, you apply this formula to this straight line. Now this straight line represented by this equation. Now again what I am doing? I am taking dy by dx here into x minus v0 by x0 into x plus v0 plus v0, comparing this with this. Now equation came. Now what I am writing this? I am writing this as dy by dx. I am taking, this is my first equation. This is totally for formula only. This formula only I am applying in this case. Now I am finding dy by dx. Okay. Now dy by dx. I am taking differentiation both sides. Then what happens? V naught fixed value, x naught fixed value. So this constant term. So minus V naught by x naught into differentiation of x with respect to x 1. Again, here what is the V naught? Fixed value, constant. Differentiation of constant, we are getting 0 value. So we are writing this as dy by dx, that equal to minus V naught by x naught. This is my second equation. Okay, I had got y, I had got dy by dx. So depends upon these two equations, I am taking one formula for acceleration. How? What is the formula for acceleration generally? dv by dt. Rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. So just I am going this background like this. dt. dt means change in the time. So I want displacement. Displacement equals to velocity into time. Otherwise, I am writing this dt. dt equals to what I am writing? dx by v. So in the dt place, if you write dx by v, v coming upward. So finally, what happens? This acceleration v into dv by dx. So this is also another formula for acceleration. When dt coming like this. This is assumption only like that, but directly like this, right? dv by dx means differentiation of velocity with respect to x. That is the meaning, that is the concept. So acceleration, another formula is v into dv by dx. This also directly you remember, no need to do all these things. For concept purpose, you do that like that. So I want to find acceleration. Why we are finding acceleration? Because all answers given in the acceleration displacement condition. So I am going to acceleration. So what is the formula for acceleration? Equal to v into dv by dx. This is my third equation. Actually, this formula only. Okay, now this implies a equals to v. What is the v value? Okay, here y means what? V. Y means here v. Along y axis, what is it? V is there. V equal to this value. So what is the v value? Minus v naught by x naught into x plus v naught. That is v into dv by dx. dv by dx means what? Here y means v this. Along y axis, what is there? Velocity is there. So that is dv by dx. What is the dv by dx? Minus v naught by x naught into minus v naught by x naught. Substituting these values. V value this and dv by dx value this. Totally a value. Now a equal to, then what happens? Minus into minus plus. V naught into v naught square. By x naught square into x, again plus into minus minus v naught square by x naught, v naught square by x naught square into x plus into minus minus v naught square by x naught. So now I am taking A option. In the A option, what you are given? Graph. This is acceleration, x axis, y axis. This is the displacement. This is the A option. Like this graph given. This is correct. Why correct? You take this equation. This is equation number 4. In the equation number 4, this represents what? This is totally represents what? Slope. Slope value positive. If this angle is theta, tan theta, if it is acute angle below 90 degrees, what happens? Positive value getting. Here, what is this angle? It is observing like acute angle only. So this is positive only. Y equal to mx. M means what? Slope. Positive. Correct. Matching only. Again, plus c. C means what? Intercept belongs to y axis. Intercept belongs to y axis. In the y axis, what is the thing here? Acceleration. It is came in the downward. Downward means what? Here positive value, here negative value. So this is the negative value. Now matching. So in ABCD options, this A option only correct. What again B option given? Different ways given. This A option only correct way. It is matching with A option only. So this acceleration displacement, initially velocity displacement, this both are belongs to same motion of the particle only.